Hello! Today I'm playing Hogwarts Legacy on Xbox Series X console. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings. In the beginning, let's go to menu, enter sound settings, and as you can see from the menu that appeared right now, on the top of the list we can change music volume, sound effects volume, dialogue volume, pitch, or we can mute all volumes and unmute them. Then we can enable or disable display subtitles, mono audio, and change audio configuration between available options. Right now I can select between home cinema, headphones, night mode, soundbar and TV. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.